This is the wireless microphone system. Here we have the antenna, power jack, balance A, balance B, audio output jack, and antenna. Here I'm installing the antenna. Here's how you adjust it. So you just move from right to left, up and down, or back and forth. Here I'm quickly showing how to do the microphone. I install the battery. So you have 2 doublea. Next, I'm installing the transmitter battery. And so I'll use this 2 doublea. Here I'm showing how to connect the lapel microphone. So you just click in. You press the little black button in the back to remove it. Next, we're connecting the headset. Same thing. Just click in, press the button to remove it. As you can tell, it fits nice and snug. Okay, so today we're going to test the karaoke. My dog doesn't like the sound, but you will get some static if you're too close to it. So I would suggest stand probably 8-10 feet away from it. And I'm talking about this right here, the actual device. But so far we're just going to do the mic first, and then we'll do some of the other ones. Sorry about my dog. Just doesn't seem to like it. Okay, so next we're testing this. For some reason you can tell it's a little loud. And doesn't pick up 5 feet away. Probably gets 2 inches. Here, let's try to see if it will pick up closer to my neck. Low, low, low. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? So obviously this little mic has to be very close, which makes it kind of hard to use. So next we're going to try the headset. Okay, so this is the headset. Wow, this is probably the best device for this product. You can tell it's probably 2 inches, 1 inch away. It sounds the clearest, and this is pretty much the headset. Overall, this product's great. If you want to be a singer or, practice karaoke, or I don't know if you're a speaker or something. But like I said, you have to be at distance, otherwise you hear the pop in because of the connection. If it's too close, you hear buzzing at times. So there is a certain distance that you have to separate yourself from. But this is a great product.